Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and tools. Charge above half, backup photos and messages, and install ADB on your computer. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This exposes the toggle we need. Make sure USB debugging is on. This lets your PC communicate with the device. If you see a prompt to allow the computer, accept it. These first steps create the secure path needed to request OEM unlocking from the device. Now you navigate developer options and locate OEM unlocking, toggle it on. You might see a warning, read it, then confirm only if you accept voiding certain protections. If the toggle is grayed out, sign into your Samsung account and connect to the internet, then reboot and try again. Alternatively, use ADB to verify connection with a DB devices, then reboot into bootloader to check unlock state. These actions change a protected flag, so the bootloader can be unlocked later. Finish by rebooting the phone and confirming OEM unlocking persisted. You can verify in the bootloader or with fastboot commands on supported models. If the option resets or refuses to enable, remove any PIN, pattern, or biometric locks and repeat the developer options toggle. Sometimes security locks block the change. In rare cases, wipe or re-add your Samsung account and ensure network access. Once OEM is set, follow your model's bootloader unlock or flashing guide to complete the process safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.